discuss what next after SSC. Once the American poet Robert Frost, one of his famous poems, The Road Not Taken, he discusses how human beings face difficulties at the time of decision making. I feel it is a high time to the SSC students to make decision for their career. If you look at it in the present context, there are n number of opportunities. There are many streams to opt for their career. So through this, I would like to bring you an awareness what are the opportunities we have for the future. So if you look at, there are 6 areas we have in the present education system. First one is intermediate courses, polytechnic courses, IIIT, BASAR, ITI courses, paramedical courses, short-term courses and vocational courses, even open school courses also. So generally we are very much aware of these intermediate courses, so we will come back to this later. But we begins with polytechnic courses. The duration of the polytechnic courses is 3 years, and we are very much aware of what is the importance of polytechnic courses and why we have to study polytechnic courses. People who are interested in engineering, so they can go through this polytechnic, and these polytechnic courses enable the students to get through many competitive examinations and establish themselves quickly in the future also. So if we observe, the courses available in polytechnic are civil engineering, automobile engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics and communication engineering (ECE), electricals (EEE), chemical engineering, mining, government technology, agricultural diplomas, animal husbandry and fisheries. So these are the courses. Some of the main diplomas I have mentioned here, but apart from this, even some more courses also available in polytechnic colleges. Now going to the next stream, that is IIIT BASAR. So here all the courses duration is 6 years, 2 plus 4, intermediate plus degree. Now IIIT BASAR is offering 7 courses in the campus. So one is chemical engineering and civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, material science, mechanical engineering and electricals (EEE). So sometimes we think which is the best one. No, each course has its own weightage, its own advantages. The only thing is which you like most, which you want to take as a career option. Before taking up, you need to think why you are making a decision, why you want to study this course only particularly. So if you analyze, if you research systematically, definitely it will help you to choose the right course before in your career. Now the next stream is ITI. So here in ITI, Industrial Training Institutions, all the courses duration is 2 years. Now if we observe, what are the courses available in ITI are a fitter, computer related courses, civil diploma courses, mechanical, electrician, plumber, surveyor, fireman, welder, painter, technician and etc. So these courses will give you plenty of opportunities to settle yourself in the future. Now the next area need to be discussed is paramedical courses. Here we have to understand again the duration of all the paramedical courses is 3 years. Now if you look at the courses available in paramedical are DMLT, DHFM, DOA, Diploma in Ophthalmological Assistant, Diploma in Ophthalmological Technician, Health Inspector, Sanitary Inspector. So these are the courses, and dear students, we know in the present context the significance or the importance being given to medical field, and the importance to medical field never ever slow down. So it is also a good platform, good stream to think and choose your career option. Now the next one is vocational courses. So in vocational courses are broadly categorized into agricultural, business and commerce, engineering and technology, home sciences courses. I'm not going through the detail because there are many courses available in every stream. So it is better to you, if you are interested in vocational courses, you can go through the each stream and which is you are favorable, which is very much convenient and which is very much suitable to you, you can take that. The other stream is short-term courses. I think 21st century is giving more importance to rapid courses, crash courses, short-term courses. Now people are thinking to get settled quickly in the future. So if you think in a same way, this is also a good area. You can think like here the courses duration is from 6 months to 1 year. So the courses available or the diplomas available in short-term courses are DTP, PGDCA, Internet, Animation, Web Designing, Tally, even Craft and Hotel Management. Now you can understand the importance of hotel management today. People's fascination is increasing day by day towards the food and food production, safety, in the safety of fire as well as industrial safety. Even this is fascination, fashion technology is being paid much importance to fashion technology. So here you can also think about interior, external, okay, and the last one is yoga also, because people are thinking about more and more about the health. So yoga will provide you many opportunities. So now I am also giving you an opportunity about, if you don't want to continue in regular mode, there is an opportunity to continue your studies in distance mode, that is open school system. In our state we have TAS, Telangana Open School System. So here also many courses are available. You can go through this in the website. Now finally coming back to the intermediate courses, the regular courses which are available, because we are very much aware of these intermediate courses and the duration of all these courses is 2 years only. For the sake of our understanding, again these courses have been subdivided into science stream, commerce stream and art stream. So when you are thinking about science stream means in the future you are going to settle in the science related area. Like in science you have MPC, BIPC, library sciences, okay. Now even if you want to settle in commerce and management, business management area, this is a good option for you, CEC. Now you want to be in administration, you want to be in something related to the geographical and historical, right? So this is a good area for you, HEC, MEC. So along with this, there is a combination of many subjects like geography, history, civics, commerce, economics and history. So even modern languages also you can study in arts, classical languages also you can study in arts. So there are many courses available in arts. Now students, it is your time. So in front of you there is a lot of information. Now before choosing the right option for your career, think and research systematically and take the right decision. I am sure that if you choose the right decision, that will turn your life, that will change your life. So think and take the right decision. All the best.